All right, here's another question coming in. Number 4 on practice 37. It is a convert to polar. So this is the rectangular coordinates that are positive and negative. So it's down here in quadrant 4, right? So this is in quadrant 4. And I want to figure out for that, what is the R value? What is the hypotenuse? And then what is this angle? All right, let's figure it out. So if I look at this thing, I know this triangle, if I kind of blow it up, right? If I blow up that triangle, I know that this way is 3 root 3 over 2, and this way is negative 3 root 2. So hypotenuse shouldn't be that hard to find, right? R squared equals x squared plus y squared. So in this case, or case, I can figure out, well, the y is easy. That's 3 over 2, so squared is 9 over 4. So that's 9 over 4. How about the x? Well, let's see. If I square that, then the bottom is going to be 4, so that's good. The top is going to be 3 squared, which is 9, times 3. Root 3 times root 3 is a regular 3. So 9 times 3, which is 27. So there it is. So r squared is equal to, what is that, 36 over 4, which happens to be 9. So that means r is plus or minus 3, but we'll just go with the positive. So we know r is 3. So there we go with our r value. That's the good news. Now let's also figure out theta. Now, what is that angle? Well, I can find this angle, right? I could use sine, I could use cosine. I'm going to use tangent, but you could probably use sine. Looks like it would actually be a better choice. But I'm going to use what the book uses, right? So they're going to say it's the arctan of y over x. But again, since you already figured out what r was, heck, use arc sine. But it should turn out the same. This is just going to look pretty nasty right here. Y is negative 3 over 2. And I'm going to probably drop that because I want to know the angle. And the other one, the x, is 3 root 3 over 2. Now let's clean that up, right? The arctan of through copy dot flip, that's 3 over 2 times, because it's divided by root 3 over 2, is times the flip 2 over 3 root 3. Well, notice what happens. 2's are going to cancel, right? 3's are going to cancel. So that's just 1 over root 3. That's not too bad, right? Who has an arctan? And again, it was negative. I just kind of got lazy, dropped the negative because I'm just caring about the angle. Who has this tangent? Well, if I use my hand trick, my unit circle, whatever you want to do, I know that that is a 30-degree angle, or if they want it in radians, or pi over 6. So pay attention to the instructions. If they don't put any restrictions, I can say negative 30 degrees. I can say negative pi over 6. That would measure the angle, this way, right? But I'm pretty sure that they said that the angle had to be measured going this way from 0 to 2 pi. So if I know that that's pi over 6 and I know all the way around is 2 pi, then I'll just add 2 pi to this, right? Or add 360 to this, depending on which one you're doing. So in degrees, I would say it's 330 degrees. However, I'm pretty sure this one said radians, so that would be 12/6. So if I take one away, it's going to be 11/6. So what I see for this is the R value is 3 and the angle is 11 pi over 6. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Stay happy.